everybody. We are in our new permanent location. We were previously racing in Idaho, and we are now racing in Tampa, Florida. So this is our first day heading to the track. We really have we've been there once to visit, so we don't really know what the situation is there for racing yet, but we're gonna find out. We have 3 carpet cars, and we're gonna find out if carpet cars can actually run on sealed clay surfaces. And it might not be pretty today, but we're gonna try it anyway, and maybe, you know, we'll probably end up getting some new tires, probably change our setups a little bit, right?
Raise our ride height.
Raise our ride height up, change out some springs maybe.
Do as much as we can.
Yeah.
In time to make sure we can get our car set up for play.
So yeah, so we're heading there now. We have to go get our Sun Pass toll pass transponder. So our little cars have transponders, and our big cars are gonna have a transponder in it. And then we're gonna get on the road and head to Tampa. All right, well, we made it here to SS Hobbies Raceway in Tampa, Florida. And we are going to see what's up in there. I don't know the table situation, chair situation, power situation. Don't know any of the situations. So we're gonna figure out what the situation is here at this track. All right, what we got? Show me the $141 worth of tires.
Okay, front tires.
That wasn't a cheap visit to the hobby store.
Feels like passing a kidney stone.
Oh yeah, that one hurt a little bit.
Oh, we got rears.
Hey now.
Mix it up now. More rears.
Okay.
Oh, rear yellows.
Is it Christmas?
Is
it your birthday?
Happy.
I don't understand.
It's Halloween. Oh, we got 4. Wow. Whoa.
I'm just trying to be creative with the camera angle.
Oh, you're so creative. Oh my.
All right.
Wait, there's more. Rear yellows for mine. Like a monster. Oh, there you go. Oh, wow. Hey, I'm the one who has the poison in my hand. The dangerous, gotta rub it in there. Gotta rub it and scratch it.
You're both sides.
Both?
Both.
The outside?
No, inner and outer. This and that one.
Hold on, guys. I gotta get more poison spray. Oh yeah. Chemical it out. Look at me. I'm cleaning a tire. I'm so cool.
Good?
Yeah. For mine, probably.
All right, well, we're gonna put these tires on and break our cars. Be back momentarily.
Thank you.
All right, heat number 1
All
in
right,
the books.
thanks is in. All right,
Got number 1, number 2, I don't know how, because it was ugly and squirrely, and we don't have any race footage because we're both racing against each other right now. So.
All right, Kate.
Some long crashes where I was
Are you
sitting
in this
there
race,
for like
Kate?
10 seconds, and somehow he's
No?
like, "Joe is still in first." I was like,
Oh, you're in the
Doesn't make
last
sense,
race.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
I was able to get a little faster
I
towards
thought
the
we
end
were
after I
being
got a
pro,
little
you'd
bit
be
used to
this
the track.
way.
But,
Can I
yeah,
get,
so
Timothy Hopper across
moving
the
on.
line? All right, I need to get a check from Rob, need to get a check from Parker, and Cindy Spencer.
Gotta get around and get out there. Oh, the bullets are faster.
Can you get around so I can...
Dad, it's
Is
right.
Kenny not out there yet?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, well, that's a broke. 18.380. Rob to the 3, Carter to the 4, Pedro to the 5, Larry to the 6, Chris to the 7, Holden to the 8. 3:31 to go on the clock, guys. 3:31 to go on the clock. Nolan up in the top spot. Nolan blistering around the track right now. Kenny trying to reel him in right now. Let's see how this is going to play out. Kenny still holding that fast now, but 18.380. Right now they are neck and neck at a 6. Oh, with Nolan on a 16.505. Kenny on a 16.504. Carter to the 3 spot.
All right, well, we are done with heat number 2.
All right, guys, you good to go.
We're moving on to the mains next. I think it's getting a little warmer here now.
It's getting a little chilly.
Yeah,
Chilly.
I think I need my sweater.
Yeah, I need my sweater.
No, it's fine. When the breeze is blowing, it's great. When the breeze isn't blowing, it's not that great, but it's fine. Yeah, Joey broke his car before the race started. Classic. And Kenny tried to fix it, but he had Marshall or RD the race, so Joey ended up getting it back on the track with like 2 laps ago.
And I used the wrong part, but it works. It ran. So,
all right, guys, the heat is on.
To the mains.
One lap in. Everybody 1 lap in. Kenny to the top.
All right, on our way home from our first day of racing in Florida at SS Hobbies Raceway or something. SS Hobbies Raceway.
SS Hobbies and Raceway.
SS Hobbies and Raceway. Really good group out there. The owner, Ronnie, was super nice. Got a lot of people there helping us out, giving us advice on, changing our cars around for clay. And yeah, pretty good day all together. We had 2 heats and a main, and Joey came in first place, right? And I came in third in the novice class today.
Both our first times racing on clay, and we get podium.
Yeah.
So.
Joey, what did you change on your car to run on clay today?
My tires, and I made it higher. That's it.
So
I didn't change anything. I just ran it on a carpet setup, but I raised it.
EB410.2. He just ran it pretty much stock, but put some tires on it and adjusted his ride height up a little bit.
Well, carpet.
What?
Not stock. Carpet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Same thing.
It was whatever you were running in carpet.
Yeah.
And now it's kind of set up for clay. For my car, I put new tires on it. We ended up going with J Concepts wheels on the front that were a little wider than the normal wheels that I use. And in fact, they were the same front tires for both your 4-wheel drive and my 2-wheel drive.
Yep, same tires.
Tires I felt did well. I also changed out my front springs to a less firm spring, softer spring, and I adjusted my ride height. Yeah. So, what else do you have to say about it?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
We'll go there again.
Yeah, it's a good day.
Yep.
The hobby shop was really good. They had plenty of parts there for any car you might have. So we weren't expecting that. That's good to know that if your car breaks when you're racing, you have a way of buying replacement parts without waiting 2 or 3 days for them to show up. So
yeah,
that's a plus.
Alrighty. Well, we will see you later.